guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So today's video is all about a long-term review of the LED bulb. That is actually a mini LED projector setup that comes in a H4 configuration. So I have installed this before 1 year back, and since then I am very much happy with the output of this product. So I thought to share my feedback on this. It's basically a Durvient mini H4 LED bulb. It consumes around 38 watt of power in high beam mode, and high beam is actually a spot beam, so which easily covers 200 plus meters of distance. If I talk about lux intensity, then it is approximately 1900 lux, which was measured at a 20 feet distance from the wall. So if you are planning to buy a LED headlight bulb, then I will definitely recommend this. And if I talk about output, then it is almost a double as compared to the performance halogen bulbs. So I have recorded output video in a different lighting condition. So don't forget to check those videos, and it will give you a better idea about the performance of this bulb in all the different lighting conditions. So you will find installation video and purchase link in the description section itself. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please do subscribe for such automotive content.